Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution updating driver automatically. To start, right-click on Start and open the Device Manager. Here, in Display Adapters, right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to check if there is an update. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution updating driver manually. Open the Device Manager from the Start menu. After that, in Display Adapters, right-click on the faulty driver and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, choose the option, Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver you are going to use. Click Next and wait for this driver to be updated. Chapter 3. How to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution reinstalling driver. Right-click on Start to open the Device Manager. Here, click on Display Adapters, then right-click on the driver and this time select Uninstall Device. Confirm this by clicking on Uninstall. You will see a change in appearance. After this, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for the environment to recover and thus correct the error. Chapter 4. How to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution from Windows Update. You will access configuration from Start. Now in Windows Update, click on Advanced Options. You will open the option Optional Updates. In Other Updates, check if there is any update for the screen. If so, you must download and install it to correct this error. Chapter 5. How to fix Windows 11 can't change resolution from console. To start, right-click on Start and open the terminal as administrator. Click Yes to authorize. There, run a scan of the file system with the command sfc/scano. Press Enter. You can see the progress of the scan. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When it is complete, confirm whether any corrections were made. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.